The drone industry is about to hit a massive turning point, and if you're holding off on your next big purchase, you might be making the smartest move of 2026. For years, the sub-250-gram category was defined by compromise. You traded sensor size for portability and features for weight limits. But the leaked details of the DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest that those days are officially over. We are looking at a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries of the Mini lineup. It effectively cannibalizes the professional Mavic series. The most explosive leak centers around what industry insiders are calling the Titan sensor, a massive 1-inch CMOS powerhouse crammed into a frame that still weighs less than 249 grams. This is the holy grail for creators in the United States and across the globe who want to bypass the headache of FAA registration and Part 107 restrictions without sacrificing the cinematic 6K resolution and 14 stops of dynamic range that high-end clients demand. Imagine flying through the neon-lit streets of New York or over a dim forest at twilight and getting noise-free, professional-grade footage from a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. The rumors suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will debut a revolutionary nightscape LiDAR system, replacing the traditional infrared sensors with laser-based precision that allows for 360-degree obstacle avoidance, even in total darkness. This isn't just a minor safety upgrade. It's a fundamental shift in how we use compact drones, making complex automated shots like ActiveTrack 7.0 more reliable than ever before. You won't just be following a subject. The drone's onboard AI core will be predicting movement and navigating through dense branches or urban structures with the confidence of a professional pilot. The design itself is whispered to feature a new Aeroflow carbon fiber chassis, which isn't just for aesthetics. This advanced material allows for better thermal management, enabling the drone to process massive 6K video files at 60 frames per second without overheating, all while maintaining the structural integrity needed for high wind resistance. The question on everyone's mind is the release date and the price. Based on DJI's established 2-year refresh cycle and the recent certification filings seen in early 2026, experts are pointing toward a late Q3 or early Q4 launch window, likely hitting the shelves just in time for the holiday season. As for the price, the sheer amount of tech packed into this unit, from the O5 transmission system that promises a rock-solid 20-kilometer range to the rumored 42-minute high-density battery, suggests a slight premium. We're likely looking at a starting price of $959 for the standard kit, with the Fly More combo potentially crossing the $1,200 mark. While that might seem steep for a mini drone, you have to consider what you're getting: a 6K cinema camera, a LiDAR-powered safety suite, and a registration-free flight experience that makes it the undisputed king of the sub-250-gram market. When you compare this to the competition, the gap only widens. While companies like Autel and Potensic have made great strides with models like the Nano Plus 2 and the Atom 2, they're still playing catch-up to the software ecosystem and signal stability that DJI has perfected. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to include a 225-degree rotating gimbal, allowing for true vertical shooting for TikTok and Reels, as well as unique upward angle shots that were previously only possible on the much more expensive DJI Mavic 3 Pro or the Air 3S. This versatility makes it the ultimate tool for the modern digital strategist and content creator. If these leaks hold true, the Mini 6 Pro won't just be the best drone of 2026. It will be the drone that makes the professional heavyweight drones look obsolete for 90% of users. You are essentially getting Mavic 4 performance in a package that requires no license, no registration, and no excuses. The wait for the official announcement is almost over, and from everything we've seen, it's going to be a game changer that redefines the sky.